Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Fazli Azzali as a presenter. I am here with my member of the project, Mr. Amra Ahmad, Mr. Baharudin Osman, and Tang Siu King. We are delighted to present to you our project on the usability of smart traffic light monitoring system for emergency vehicle using IoT. The list content outlines of the presentation are background, problem statement, objective methodologies, analysis of the result, and discussion, and conclusion, and also references. The modern era has seen a substantial increase in the number of the vehicles on the road, primarily due to widespread vehicle ownership among families. The source in a vehicle has led to a prevalent issue of a traffic congestion, which poses a significant obstacle for emergency vehicles such as ambulance, fire truck, and police car. The congestion on the road has resulted in delay arrival time for emergency vehicles, pending their ability to reach their intended destination promptly. To tackle this problem, the system has been proposed to improve traffic condition and prioritize emergency vehicle. The system aims to grant priority to emergency vehicle, enabling them to navigate to traffic more efficiently, thus reducing delay and enhancing emergency response capabilities. A common issue faced by emergency vehicle at intersection where traffic lights change their color in the same order every time. The fixed pattern of a traffic light sequencing can lead to delay and the need for emergency vehicle to wait for clearance wherever they reach a junction. For example, consider an ambulance rushing to a medical emergency. It approaches an intersection where the traffic light sequence follow a fixed pattern. As the ambulance arrives, the traffic light show a red signal for its direction while other lanes have a green signal. In this scenario, the ambulance must come to a stop and wait for the traffic light to change. Meanwhile, valuable time is wasted, and the patient's condition may worsen. Other vehicles, unaware of the emergency situation, continue to move in the intersection lanes, further delaying the ambulance progress. The objective of projects are to design a smart traffic light monitoring system on Node MCU ESP8266 using Internet of Things IoT in terms of quality of service. To reduce the time detection of an emergency vehicle using IoT and to evaluate the time detection emergency vehicle of smart traffic light monitoring system using IoT. The related effort, the three research articles mention that explore in different aspects of IoT and its application in traffic management and security, such as ACAS in 2022, Al-Kabani in 2020, and Nono in 2020. Why they focus on different topics within the IoT domain? There are some relationship and similarity between them, such as use of IoT in traffic management, traffic light control and emergency vehicle clearance, and security and detection in IoT devices. Overall, this article highlighted a different aspect of IoT in content of traffic management, including traffic light control, emergency vehicle clearance, and security of IT devices. While they approach this topic from the different angle, they collectively contribute to the understanding and advancement of IoT application in the field of transportation and traffic control. The methodology of the project was developed using hardware and software components. The hardware used the Node MCU ESP8266, infrared sensor, resistor, LED, and etc. While the software component include Arduino IDE and Firebase has a database. Furthermore, to have a better understanding of the system, we need to create the requirement and use case diagram, which is show the process of detect and communication among of the sensor device and emergency vehicle to exchange the information for understanding the instruction and their tasks. It is important to note that the flowchart provides a high-level overview of the smart traffic light monitoring system functionality. The actual implementation may involve additional steps, error handling, and decision-making mechanism based on specific requirements and system architecture. This prototype system process ensures that when an emergency vehicle is detected, the traffic light control system swiftly runs it the right of way by immediately switching the corresponding traffic light to green. The 10-second delay allows sufficient time for vehicle or intersecting lanes to clear the intersection safely before changing the signal. This proactive approach aims to optimize traffic flow while prioritizing the movement of emergency vehicle. The analysis of the results stated that the prototype system was useful, had good performance, and the respondents were satisfied with the prototype system. From 30 respondents are chosen, most of the respondents rate it has agree, or strongly agreeing. None of the respondents disagree and strongly disagree, while only a few rate neutral. For example, the easy of use the system, there are 70% respondents strongly agree and 30% agree, while 60% strongly agree and 40% agrees on usefulness of the system. But moreover, the response of the respondent on the satisfaction of the system was strongly agree in 77% and 23% agree. The requirement of the prototype has been successfully achieved. This project has the potential to save the life of people in emergency vehicle by allowing them to arrive at their destination faster. The system could benefit the emergency department and also the government. The basic idea of this system is to allow emergency vehicle to pass through the junction without congestion. The prototype can be improved by wireless technology in a real-life scenario. There are several related of existing researchers articles in the references. Thank you for watching our presentation project.